class, how are you today? Please, before we go further, I'll advise you to subscribe to this channel so that you can be getting what we are doing. So today we are still going to solve some of the past questions from just like the ones we did before. Today we have two questions on the board, and the questions are: number one question, a knot and 3 bolts have a mass of 24 grams. 4 nuts and 5 bolts have a mass of 66 grams. Question number 1. Find the mass of a nut and a bolt. Question number 2. What is the mass of 3 bolts and 4 nuts? Then number 2 question of it is a drum has. Question number 2. A drum has a base area of 72 cm square. What is the volume if the height is 5 cm? Question B part of the number 2. If 36 cm cube volume of a bucket of water costs 5 naira, how much will be needed? Sorry, please. How much will be needed to fill the drum? Sorry, please. How much will be needed? I put it here. Needed to fill the drum. Let's go to the solution to this. Solution. Now, if you look at question number 1, this question number 1 is a typical example of word problem involving simultaneous equation. Now, we can say, let N represent knot and B represents bolt. Yes, we get it this way. Now, we can put this in mathematically. It says a knot is which means 1 N plus 3 bolts, that is 3B. 3B equals 24 grams. You know, put it 24. Now, the second part of it says 4 nuts, which is 4N. 4N plus and 5 bolts, which is 5B. 5B equals what? 66 grams. Now, this is a typical example of a simultaneous equation. We call this equation 1, or we call this equation 2. Now, just like I've told us, we have three methods of solving simultaneous equation. We have the graphical method, we have the substitution method, and we have the elimination method. But in this case, let us use the substitution. Let us use the elimination method. Let us use the elimination method. I've just said it. Let us use the elimination method. Using the elimination method, you use the coefficient. You use the coefficient of the alphabet and multiply whichever one you are multiplying and multiply it at 2. Now look at what you're saying. Now I'm using 4. The coefficient of n here is 4. I'm using the coefficient of n to multiply. 4 times n, 4n plus 4 times 3b to give us 12b equals 4 times 24. 4 times 4, 16. You write 6. Carry 1. 4 times 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9 becomes 96. Now, 1 times 4n, 4n. 1 times, because the coefficient of n here is 1. That is why we are using 1 here to multiply. 1 times 5b gives us 5b equals 1 times 66 to give us 66. We can call this one equation 3 and call this one equation 4 in that order. Now we can use, as we call it, elimination method. 4n minus 4n becomes 0, which means in this equation n has been eliminated. 12 minus 5 will give us 7. 7b equals 6 minus 6, 0. 7 minus this, 7 minus 9, 9 minus 6 will give us 3. That is it. Now, with this, we said 7b equals 30. Therefore, if you make b the subject, make b equals 30 over 7, which is 30, which will give us here 30 over 7. If you reduce it to mixed number, it's going to give us 7, and it is going to give us 4 whole number 3 over 7. Sorry, 4 whole number 2 over 7. That is the mass of the boat. Now, we can now use this to find the mass of the knot. We can say it from equation 1. Let's go to this place. We can now say from equation 1, find n. From equation 1, find n. Now, we can now say, what is equation 1? N plus 30b equals 24. That is it. We say but b equals 30 over 7. Which means anywhere we see p, we don't need to write b again. Rather, we write 30 over 7. And say n plus 30 into 30 over 7 equals 24. That is it. Now, what we can do to eliminate this fraction here, we can multiply through with 7. If we multiply through with 7, we now say to eliminate this fraction, 7 multiplied is 7n plus 7 multiplied this becomes 21. 21 divided by 7, we still become 3. 3 into 30 equals 7 times 4, 28. 7 times 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. That is it. When I say that 7n equals, 7n plus 90 equals 168. Now when I say collect like terms, CLT, collect like terms. So what is it going to be? We say 7n equals 168 minus 90. That is it. And I say 7n equals 8 minus 0, 8. 16 minus 9, 7. 16 minus 9, 7. Now, n equals 7. 7n equals 78. It's not say make n the n equals 78 over 7, which is 7 here, 1. 7 here, 1. 11 and a half. That is what it is. n equals 11 and a half. Therefore, n, which is the size of the knot, n is the mass of the knot, and therefore the mass of the knot is 11 over 7. Sorry, please, it's not 11 and a half. 11 over 7. 11 over 7 grams. While the mass of the boat is 42 over 7 grams. Okay, let's go to B part of question number 1. Say, what is the mass of 3 boats and 4 knots? Now, the mass of 3 boats and 4 knots. Now, the mass of a boat, is from our calculation. The mass of a boat is 42 over 7. Mass of a boat equals 42 over 7. That is 30 over 2. That is 30 over 7. And the mass of a knot was 11 1 over 7. 11 1 over 7. That is 78 over 7. Now the question says, what is the mass of 3 boats? Which means 3 boats is 7 multiplied, and mass of 4 knots, 78 times 78 over 7 multiplied by 4. That is it. Now, let's say that if we multiply this one will give us 90 over 7 plus 7 times this. 7 times is 32. Write 2. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 plus 3, 31. 31 over 7. The SCM is what? 7. 90 plus 3, 1, 2. Because the SCM is 7. And for that reason, so 90 plus 3, 1, 2, which will give us here, which one will give us 2, and this one will give us 0, 4. 407 over 2, of which, if you do it, is going to give us into this place 5. Remainder 5 into 50 52, sorry please, 52 over this will give us 7, remainder 3. 57 3 over 7 grams as our final answer for number 1. Okay, let's go to question number 2. It said a drum has a base area of 72 cm. What is the volume of if the height is 5 cm? Now, this one is very easy. The volume, the area is given already. Area equals 72 cm square. While height equals 5 cm. Volume equals area times height, which is 72 times 5, which will give us 360 cm cube. Remember, it is volume. That is why it is cube. So what is the volume of the drum? Then the next question says if a volume of a bucket of volume 36 cm cube cost 5 naira. He said how much will be needed to fill it. Now a volume of big part of it. Now 36 cm cube, 360 cm cube. If the volume of bucket is 36, which means we now say divided by 36, which will give us 10, which means 10 buckets of water will be needed to fill it. Then, and a bucket of water is 5 naira. We now say 5 times 10, which will give us 50 naira. 50 naira will be needed to fill the drum. So, see you in the next class.